Today, we're taking an inside look of a billionaire's penthouse. I'm not talking about a millionaire, I'm talking about a billionaire with a big B. But who is this guy? And what does he do for a living to afford all of this stuff? This is Pat. His family has quietly built one of the largest clothing brands in the world. So wait, you guys were doing $400 million a year for 15 years. But it wasn't easy getting to this point.
Everybody always thought everything was handed down to me, but I worked for my shit.
What brand does he own? How extravagant is his lifestyle? And what is the craziest thing that I found in his penthouse? This is Superline Cribs. You know we stay giving y'all a free game. Now let's get into the video. This guy owns one of the largest clothing brands in the world.
Yes.
What's your dog's name?
Chanel.
Chanel, is she gonna bite?
Right.
Oh shit. Damn, bro, look at this shit. Oh my God, bro.
The whole house, when I bought it, it kind of looked like shit. I renovated the whole thing.
So you gut everything out and you did it from scratch.
Everything out and then did everything from scratch. And I kind of like the black theme.
Wait, hold on. Does your dog drink this water?
Yeah, my dog only drinks Saratoga.
Wait, this is not scripted. Your dog only drinks this?
Yeah.
Your dog drinks better water than me.
Man's best friend, man. I ain't gonna have her drinking tap water.
Yeah, I drink tap water. What about this couch? Just explain this couch to me.
The couch is custom from Roche Bobo.
How much is the couch?
All together is like 90K.
$90,000 for a couch? What's wrong with IKEA, bro?
Can't do IKEA, man. The best part is my TV though.
Oh shit.
The TV and the speakers is 120K.
120,000? Why is the TV so expensive?
The TV itself is like 75K, and then the speakers, each piece is 10 to 15K.
Dude, $120,000 for TV? What's wrong with Samsung, bro? Bro, this is Batman, the Asian Batman. You gotta stay till the end of the video to see what he does for a living and what clothing brand he owns. Oh, you got a poker table? How much is this poker table?
I think it was like 30K.
Oh my God. What about this? Do you play piano?
Yeah, I play piano.
Ladies, he's single, he's really rich, he lives in a bat cave, he owns one of the largest clothing brands, and you just seen what his fingers can do. This is where the magic happens. What kind of bed is this?
Roche Bobo. It's a bubble bed.
And how much is this bed?
Like 25K. It's not about the bed though, it's about the mattress. If you know, you know.
Well, I don't know. What is this?
Heston's.
So how much is this?
Heston's mattress. This mattress itself is like 60K. You know the Drake bed?
Yeah.
The famous Drake bed? It's the same company. Drake has a bed that's like 500K.
And what is so good about the bed?
Get on top of it, man.
Oh my God. I feel like I'm like at the Ritz-Carlton right now. Look at this balcony. This balcony is huge. What do you do out here?
Watch games.
Damn, you got 2 TVs here?
Yeah, we got 2 games going on.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
Whatever makes me money.
What's the craziest sports bet that you hit on?
Maybe like the biggest bet I did was like 50.
1,000?
50, yeah.
Did you win?
I did.
The rich get richer, guys. That's how it works. What's in this fridge? Dead bodies? He's Dexter, guys. He brings girls up here, he chops them up and freezes them. Holy shit, look at this, guys. That's somebody's limb right there.
Filet mignon.
He had to make sure it's a filet mignon. I'm just joking.
And then some hot dogs.
And some wieners. You gotta have a good wiener in there. No, Pat did not really have a leg, but he probably got rich from using OmniSend. If you're not familiar, OmniSend is an all-in-one powerful platform for SMS and email marketing. The best part is, it easily integrates with your Shopify. Customers are seeing a $68 return on every single dollar spent with OmniSend. From sequences to abandoned cart recovery, OmniSend does it all. Use code Superline30 for 30% off your first 3 months, or you can sign up for a free plan without inputting your credit card. Check the link in the bio or scan this QR code right here. You know we stay giving y'all free game. I'm not sure where I got this leg from, but now let's get back into the video. Where's your closet at? Is it in the bedroom?
Half of my closet's over here and half of it's in the guest bed. It's the Virgil Louis.
How much was that bag?
I paid like 12, 13.
Casual. Damn, you got a shoe rack too?
Funny story. These came out like what, 10 years ago? I visited Korea and there was this one girl who really, really liked me. And I guess she was from like a super rich family. And she asked my friends, hey, what kind of shoes does Patrick like? My friends were like, oh dude, there's these new off-whites that just came out, but they're like 5K. She got it and gave it to me. That was the first ever gift I got from a girl.
Where is this girl at? Where can I meet these families?
In Korea.
In Korea. That is insane. What's in the room? Is there more closets?
Extra bedroom / closet.
Don't tell me this is another $60,000 bed.
It's like 20,000. But I do have a guest unit over here too.
This shit is like a maze, bro. This guy owns all of LA.
This is like my office room.
Damn, bro. Imagine working and making memes out of this shit, bro. This is crazy, dude. The views are so crazy here.
Fingerprint, bro.
Fingerprint. Oh, this is where the bangers are at. Yeah, we can't show you guys this part. Holy shit. We definitely can't put this in there, bro. Hey, we're not gonna put this part in there, but just know. All right, we're gonna go check out another part of the house now. All right, guys, we came downstairs. This is another part of your house.
This is like my man cave. So the first part's the gym, and then the second part is kind of like my playground, I call it.
This is literally the Batman of LA, guys. Dude, what the fuck?
So I got the signed Kyler Murray jerseys. I got my boys Ha-Sung Kim jersey. Moon Dong-ju, he's like a Korean national player.
You only have Korean athletes here? No black athletes, no white athletes?
Well, we got Kyler Murray, he's half black.
Damn, you got literally a whole personal gym downstairs, like your own gym. How much do you think this whole like gym space is?
Construction, lighting, and all the gym equipment put together, probably like 250.
What's your favorite machine in here?
Favorite machine?
The thrusting one?
Yeah.
Man, I can't believe you got your own personal gym, bro. I thought I got a lifetime membership. I thought I was doing good in life.
This is just the first part.
What's the second part?
This is the secret tunnel to my upstairs playground.
It's like a maze, damn near. Yo, these the housekeepers?
Yeah.
How does it feel to work for a rich guy?
Very good.
Very good. You pay well?
Yeah, they pay a lot.
They pay well.
And they give me a lot of tips.
So Lou and Roberto's been with us for what, like over 10 years now? Yeah?
Yeah, 15 years.
15 years.
Yeah.
So you know him when he was a niño.
Yes.
You love black, by the way. Like everything is black.
Yeah, everything's black. 2 golf simulators upstairs over here. And then I got full bar, and then I got the DJ set over there.
This is like a club.
It gets pretty crazy up in here sometimes. Running a clothing brand, you gotta have connections and networking, you know? And so I bring like all of my friends, influencers, celebrities here, and then we hang out.
Who's the most famous person that's been in here?
I don't think I can say.
We'll bleep out the name. Damn! That is the biggest.
We just kicked it here and drank and had a good time.
It's a golf simulator, pong table. You got a full bar. Does it come with a bartender?
We have separate bartenders that come for like special occasions.
What the fuck? There are levels to this. Don't tell me you have beer on tap.
Beer on tap.
What kind of beer is it?
It's IPA.
This is crazy. So I feel like, everyone can probably look at your life and be like, oh my God, this guy's house is so crazy. His life is amazing. But what are some things that they maybe don't understand?
I mean, everybody goes through their own struggles, right? Me growing up, I went through a lot of depression because everybody always thought everything was handed down to me. But, I worked for my shit. I went to school like everybody else. I went to college. And, being in a super conservative Korean household, it's a lot. It's a lot of pressure. You can't do all the things that you want. Like all your other friends are going snowboarding on the weekend and they're going on like family vacations and stuff. And I'm at home practicing piano and studying for my SATs while everybody's out, having fun.
If you could go back to the 18-year-old version of yourself, you're in your room playing piano, doing SATs. Is there one advice or is there one thing that you would tell yourself?
Just do it. Like listen to your parents. If they tell you to practice piano, practice piano. If they tell you to go to school, if they tell you to go to college, just do it because in the future, it's gonna get better.
All right, guys, I'm giving you guys inside access to the richest people in the world. I'm showing you their private space, their homes. We stay giving y'all a free game. Make sure you guys go check out Pat, his personal brand. What more can you ask for? They were doing $400 million for 15 years. He probably got 60 of these houses all over the world. If you would like this video, you comment, you subscribe, maybe I'll show you his next house. It's probably in Hawaii, or he probably got another penthouse in Korea. I don't know. You gotta stay tuned.